2 Faraday's electricity was passed through an aqueous solution of iron 2 bromide. The weight of iron metal deposited at the cathode is. First of all, here cathode reaction is Fe plus 2 will undergo reduction to form Fe. So iron is deposited at cathode. First of all, one important point here, when 1 Faraday of electricity is passed through an electrolyte, the weight of the substance deposited or liberated is equal to its equivalent weight. So based on that, when 1 Faraday of electricity is passed, the amount of the iron deposited is equal to its equivalent weight. Here equivalent weight is atomic weight by valency. Atomic weight of iron is 56, valency is 2. So for 1 Faraday, the amount of the substance, that is iron deposited, is 28 grams. Then they are asking for 2 Faraday. 2 Faraday, it is how much? That is 2 into 28, it is 56 grams of iron is deposited.